welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Before concluding his animation visit to Peru, the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, met with the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians of Peru on the morning of Monday, February 20th, to celebrate the Eucharist with them. Then, at the Santa Rosa provincial headquarters of Peru PR in Lima, he received a visit from the mayor of the district of Breña, Luis Felipe de la Mata Martinez, who, along with other authorities, spoke about the Salesians and their contribution to society, especially in his district. The Rector Major then closed his visit on a high note, meeting with some groups of the Salesian family of Peru in a moment of great joy, sincere reflection and learning for all. Last night, 2 weeks after the 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck southern Turkey and northern Syria, killing more than 47,000 people, another powerful quake of 6.4 magnitude again triggered panic in the areas already affected by the first tragedy. Thousands of people again took to the streets and sought a safe place to take refuge. More than 750 of them thus reached the Don Bosco house in Aleppo to spend the night there. Salesians do not close their doors in front of anyone, but helping so many in need under those conditions is also a real challenge. The new quake also occurred in Turkey around 7 p.m. local time in the Antoik area, with the epicenter in Hatay. So far, there are 6 more deaths, about 700 injured, people caught in the buildings or objects that were already unsafe or crushed by the crush generated by the panic. In Aleppo, where there is a Salesian presence, we felt the earthquake very strongly. All the people took to the streets with so many nightmares still in their heads and so much fear, says Father Pierre Jabloyan, delegate of social communication of the Middle East Adolescent Jesus Province MOR. The month of February was of great significance for the Don Bosco Technical Institute in Park Circus. The institute won the first position in the 5th edition of the Automobile Tech Fest Autospark event held from February 9 to 11th at the St. Aloysius ITI in Mangalore and organized by SKIP in cooperation with the Indian automotive company Tata Motors. A few days later, on February 13th, Don Bosco Technical Institute became the first private institute in Bengal to host the Apprenticeship Mela, a large job fair at the request of the Directorate of Industrial Training of the Government of West Bengal. With unemployment among youth, albeit educated people, steadily rising, the Apprenticeship Mela provided an opportunity for some 300 participants to get noticed by companies and observers. Although the program was organized a short notice, so many applicants from 49 different schools and training institutions answered the call, and 185 of them were selected. St. Xavier Secondary School in Pathia Liagat was filled with joy as 4 Salesians was ordained to the priesthood last February 18th. The celebration was presided over by Father Abestar Kharsotun and 26 other priests from Tripura and Shillong. Afterward, Father John Zosiama, vicar of the St. John Paul II province of Shillong, greeted the many people present and urged everyone to pray and thank God for the gift of these 4 new priests. At the end of the celebration, a convivial time was organized to celebrate the new priests together. The program included an engaging dance by the school students, songs, and the presentation of flowers and the traditional Risa Tripuri garment. With the support of the past pupils of Malta and the Association of Past Pupils of the Domenico Savio Institute of Haiti, the Salesians of Fort Libert, under the guidance of Father John Paul Messidor, delegate of the past pupils, and Jude Eli, president of Akodosa, inaugurated a new computer laboratory that will help the young people of this community. Brian Magro, president of the World Confederation of Don Bosco Past Pupils, sent a note of thanks for the realization of this important project. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.